In FreeCAD, one of the things that irritates beginners are unnecessary edges of the solid that appear when creating a 3D model. In this video, you will learn how to improve the appearance of a model by cleaning the model from unnecessary edges. This was clearly visible in the previous videos where I showed how to make a box and how to fill a hole and pockets. I will put links to those videos in the description of this video, and this video will be a presentation. I created an example solid and now I want to add another piece of the solid. I will create a sample sketch. And now, based on this sketch, I will add an extrusion. And as you can see, when creating the next stage of the 3D model, additional lines appeared. And this is not an error, this shape is correct, but it looks ugly and these lines are not necessary and very often cause confusion for novice users. I will show you how to fix it in a moment, but first let me show you one more example. I have a solid and let's assume it is a solid that I received in step format from my client and I need to change the position of the hole and the position of the pocket. First let's create body. Okay, and I fill the hole. Okay, and pocket. Okay, and now I'm going to create a new hole. And I'll create a new pocket. I did it without dimensioning because the purpose is only to demonstrate how to do it, and after I did that, these are the edges here. Now I export this model to step format and send it to the client. My client works in Fusion 360, so this 3D model will be open in this system. And it doesn't look good. This can cause a lot of confusion. The person who receives this model will not know what it is about, but we can hide these lines very easily. Just select the solid in the feature tree and select True for Refine property. And now these lines are invisible and no longer cause confusion. Of course, we can also do the same with a model that was created in FreeCAD. And now it looks good. Now I will export this 3D model to step format. And I will open this model in Fusion 360. And the model looks good. This is the model with refine property set to false, and this is the model with refine property set to true. And if you want the refine property to always be set to true, go to Edit, Preferences, Part Design, and select these options. And OK. From now on, unnecessary lines will be invisible. And as I mentioned at the beginning, these lines are not an error, but they can be bothersome, and this one simple change is enough to deal with it. That's all for today, thanks for watching and please support the growth of the channel by subscribing.